Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. My channel name is Ujjwal Tech Verse. This is my first vlog of unboxing video of this keyboard. Dell KB, model name is KB216 and its price is around under 600 rupees. So let's unbox it and see this keyboard. So I am opening the keyboard. So this is the some documents given here. You can read it. So this is the keyboard. It comes with only one color. This has number pad and also some of the features, that basic features that comes with it. It has also these clips so that it's for good typing experience. So this video ends here, and like and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.